morning, welcome to the halfway point and the beginning of day 3 of the Nature Island Challenge. Today's race is about 9 miles and 2,300 feet of elevation gain. 3, 2, 1, go!
And this place is unreal. I think I might have a T-Rex jump out at any point in time.
We're not familiar with the terrain at all, so we'll be going in just trying to do our best.
The hardest thing ever.
It was amazing because the Middleham Falls are so big and so strong. The water comes down with a lot of power.
Surprised I made it this far. Wanted to stay at the falls. I could be at the falls right now.
I was dizzy actually for maybe a few miles. It was just coming on me, but I push, I work, I try to deal with it.
One foot after the other. That's it. I got a beer in me though, so I'm feeling it.
Welcome everyone to day 3 major challenge. For this challenge, you're going to be doing the Kubuli Canoe Sprint.